Convert 1000 base 10 to base 5. Solution. Then we draw a table. We have 1000 here. We are converting to what base? Base 5. You write it here. 1000 divided by 5. That will be 200. Remainder what? 0. Then divide by 5 again. We have 200 divided by 5. What do we have? That's going to be what? 40. 40 remainder what? That will be remainder 0. Because 40 times 5 will give us 200. Now we divide by 5 again. 40 divided by 5. What will you have? That is 8. Remainder what? 0. Now we divide by 5 again. 8 divided by 5. 1. Remainder what? 3. Now we divide by 5 again. 1 divided by 5. 0. And what is the remainder? 1. So in this case, we take it from bottom to up. We conclude our solution. Then we have what? 1000. 1000 base 10 is equal to what? From bottom, we have 1, then 3, 0, 0, 0. Base what? Base 5. That is a solution to the problem.